Hey everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to 2025, and this is our new office. The reason for the new office is we are growing and we also want to bring some of our fundamentals of the Wollongong lifestyle into the new office. The new office is only a couple hundred meters away from the Wollongong CBD. We designed it with a lot of oak, whites and greys. It has a boardroom behind me and a lot of different breakout areas, workstations. We also have a pool and a gym that we have access to for all of the staff to be able to really enjoy it and make the most of it. We're really excited to have our clients and other key stakeholders come and visit us here to really enjoy the space with us, and we're excited to bring them into 2025 and beyond.